The Smoking Gun Pro has been redesigned for ease of cleaning. There are 4 steps to cleaning the Smoking Gun Pro. Removing the rigid nozzles, the smoking barrel and smoking chamber, the smoking screens, and the interior fan. So I'm going to remove the rigid nozzles from either end of the hose. Put those in some warm soapy water. I'm going to remove the smoking barrel and burn chamber, the smoking screen from inside the burn chamber. The included accessory kit contains an Allen key for removing the fan from the inside of the gun. The best way to clean the rigid nozzles is with a cotton swab. Just get inside either end and make sure to clean out whatever resin is built up. To clean the smoking barrel, you'll need a soft sponge that has an abrasive side and a soft side. If the buildup is heavy, you can soak the pieces overnight to help break down the resin. Inside the burn chamber, you can get bits of wood chips stuck in the crevices, so make sure to use the abrasive side to clean the burn chamber. To clean the fan blade, you can use a soft toothbrush to get inside of all the individual blades. Be careful not to lose the grub screw that holds the fan blade inside the gun. The accessory kit that's provided has an extra grub screw just in case. It's that simple to clean the smoking gun.